Is it time to buy or sell Supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 13th of May 2025, our system has ranked Supermicrocomputer as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.38. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 18.67% since we first identified Supermicrocomputer as a buy candidate 4 days ago. This results in an average return of 4.67% per day since it was categorized as a strong buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 23.89% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 58.65% to negative 23.89%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 52.39%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 100% to negative 51.05% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $22.59. Our latest daily update for Supermicrocomputer features the headline, Supermicrocomputer stock upgraded from hold accumulate to strong buy candidate after Friday trading session. The stock price of Supermicrocomputer increased by 4.98% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 16th of May, 2025. It rose from $43.96 to $46.15. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 6.15%, reaching a low of $45.03 and a high of $47.80. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has seen a 36.9% gain. On the last day, trading volume rose alongside the price, indicating a positive technical signal, with 11 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 97 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $4.5 billion. Reviewing the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $101.40, while the lowest was $17.25. Currently, the price is 54.49%, or $55.25, below the 52-week high, and 62.45%, or $76.75, below the all-time high reached on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $122.90. Supermicrocomputer, known by its ticker SMCI, is currently experiencing a significant turnaround as it recently announced a strategic partnership valued at $20 billion with Saudi Arabia's DataVolt. This collaboration aims to supply advanced GPU platforms and storage systems for DataVolt's hyperscale AI campuses in both Saudi Arabia and the United States, signaling a promising future for Supermicro's operations in the rapidly expanding AI sector. Following this announcement, SMCI shares have climbed, marking a notable rebound from a nearly 50% decline in stock price over the past year. Year to date, the shares have turned positive, potentially reigniting investor interest. While the immediate reaction to the partnership is optimistic, some analysts have raised concerns about the sustainability of this growth. Challenges with inventory and pressure on profit margins have been highlighted, with fears that fiscal year 26 guidance might be overly optimistic. Consequently, although this partnership may boost the stock's performance in the short term, it's crucial for investors to remain cautious, as underlying issues could impact earnings in the longer term. In summary, the partnership with DataVolt could provide momentum for SMCI's stock price in the short run, but investors should monitor the company's operational challenges, which could temper long-term growth expectations. As the market digests this news, SMCI will be closely watched for both its strategic developments and financial health moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned SMCI an outperform grade with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, it was reported that KGI Securities assigned SMCI a neutral grade with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SMCI a neutral grade with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned SMCI an equal weight grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Supermicrocomputer stock. They view the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Supermicrocomputer. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. Supermicrocomputer stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at the levels of $38.80 and $34.43. A breakdown below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 56.39%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. The volume is rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 20 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 25 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicrocomputer. Supermicrocomputer finds support from accumulated volume at $45.54. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, exhibiting high volatility, and with a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be a very high risk. Over the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by $2.77 between its high and low, which amounts to 6.15%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 8.91%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Supermicrocomputer, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate a low expectation for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could present a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 430 thousandths of a dollar. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicrocomputer. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicrocomputer is at $51.11. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Supermicrocomputer faces its first support level at $45.54. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicrocomputer from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Clegg Don W., who bought and sold 13,528 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 92.582. Overall, insiders purchased 8,221,645 shares and sold 290,416 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $44.06, reflecting a decrease of 4.53%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, resulting in significant risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 19 days ago. Is Supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Supermicrocomputer shows several positive indicators, and even though the stock is currently in a downward trend, we believe it is a strong investment opportunity at these levels. Our expectation is that Supermicrocomputer stock will perform exceptionally well over the next 3 months. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate rating to a strong buy recommendation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 19th of May, we anticipate that Supermicrocomputer will open higher by approximately 17 cents, starting trading at $46.33. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and that it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.